X-intercepts. Okay, so for our quadratic equation, we need to figure out where the x-intercepts are. That is where it crosses the x-axis. So here's a huge hint. An x-intercept is always going to have a y value as a coordinate of 0. Because if you look at this line, the x-axis, it crosses the y-axis at 0. So the x-intercepts are going to be some number, comma, 0, and some other number, comma, 0. That's a big hint right there. So let's figure this out. There's our original function. Function of x equals this. The good news is we don't have to put it in that plus or minus form. All we have to do is set this equal to 0, because if you think about it, if the y equals 0, that's going to put it right on the x-axis. Now we just solve for x. Okay, I rearranged it a little bit. I always like my variables on the left side for some reason. Don't ask me why. It doesn't make a difference. And then this one factors very nicely because I made it up. But we're going to start with our parachute pants, our two sets of parentheses down here. The first term in each is x times x. That's going to give us x squared. Now we need a number for the back terms such that when we multiply them we get negative 8, but when we add them we get negative 2. 2 times 4 is 8. One of these has to be negative. I'm going to go with the minus 4 because when I add them it has to be a negative 2. So let's double check. We know the first term's okay. We know the last term's okay. 2 times x is 2x plus negative 4 times x is negative 4x. So 2x plus negative 4x is negative 2x. That's our middle term. So we're good to go. And now the rest is easy. We just set these equal to 0, each one. So if x plus 2 equals 0, on that side, x has to equal negative 2. On this side, x minus 4 equals 0. That means x has to equal 4. And how you write up the x-intercept, it has to look like a coordinate. So that means you're going to put negative 2 comma 0, right? Because the y is always going to be at 0 on an intercept, x-intercept. And this one's going to be 4 comma 0. And again, those are the x-intercepts. Those are where it would cross this axis. Bam, bam, bam. And again, this is not the graph of the one we've been working with, but it's the only one I can find. But that's it. MGZ out.